So, Nika?
I've made breakthroughs
Yep.
by telling God exactly that, about control, about everything.
Yeah.
And
But has it changed your life, Nico? Like, do you find yourself receiving more of God's love? Or do you still find yourself in the fight?
if I choose every day to
Yeah.
abide by His laws and to be humble,
Yeah.
I receive a lot of love.
Yes.
If I want to wear my facade, to say, okay, today I'm not in the mood.
Yeah. Not in the mood. Yeah.
Yeah, the law works. The law will remind me that I break the law.
Yeah.
And when I fall down, like what you painted in the board,
Yeah.
the law will become stronger and stronger because it's a force.
Of course.
It's action and reaction. But
But my question for you, though, is what is going to change in you where you no longer decide, I'm not in the mood? Where you no longer decide, I don't, you never finish up deciding, I don't want to do it.
You're always in the
You
mood.
always want to do it.
Yeah.
So,
You love doing it.
There needs to be a time in your life, doesn't there, where you actually give up all resistance, knowing that all resistance to the law is futile, rather than going, I will live happily with this law or that law or that law, but those other laws over there I'm going to not live by. A person who does that, you could say, has not yet grown in love enough to understand, and in love of self enough to understand that any law they break is going to cause regret, cause sadness.
I already know that, and I'm prepared to feel the sadness.
This is why I'm saying, why? Why would a person choose to do that? See, that's something we need to discuss tomorrow, isn't it? Why would we know that something is good for us, and yet we still don't do it? Isn't that the definition of being crazy? Right?
No, it's the definition of being sad.
Well, doesn't holding on to sadness make you crazy?
From God's perspective.
Of course it does. It makes you make decisions that are not sound. Do you understand? And therefore motivated by a touch of madness. Yeah? But we'll talk about some of that today.
I understood your perspective, what you're saying.
It's not my perspective.
Okay, sorry.
It's God's. Yeah.